Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up? What up? How y'all doing today? This video is going up on Monday, so happy Monday, happy beginning of the week. So we're doing our video today a little bit different. This is going to be the first of many to come. This is going to be the first of my slay stories. So I got a real funny story for y'all today. I'm already laughing. Okay, so before we go ahead and get into the story and get into our look that we're going to do, slay story, got me? Slay face, tell a story. So before we get into it, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell below for notifications so that anytime that I do upload a video, you're notified. You don't want to miss anything. Like, comment, share, subscribe. That's it. That's your job. It's free, sis. Join the flower gang. Free. I only jump you in, but it don't hurt. Alright, so we're going to of course start with eyes. I've already done my eyebrows and primed my eyelids, and I am going to do one of my one eyeshadow looks. Those are just the most fun, easiest looks that you can do. So I'm going in with my New York palette from Shanell Cosmetics. All of the goodness. And I think today we're going to do yellow as our one eyeshadow. Alright, so let me get into the story. Okay, so those of you who may not know, I don't know if y'all saw my 10 random facts about me video. I'll actually post that up here because I'm going to reference just one of the facts. I went to a HBCU, and the school that I went to is Johnson C. Smith University, right? So I went a few years ago, mind business. I graduated a while ago. So I think I was a sophomore. I had to have been a sophomore. I think I was a sophomore. So I was like 19. Yeah, I was 19. So I was like 19, sis. I was 19. And y'all, I don't even know how to begin to tell this story. I'm probably like, girl, tell a story. It's not that serious. Alright. So when I was 19 or whatever, at that point when you were a sophomore, some people was able to like live off campus and have cars and stuff like that. So back then, like in Charlotte, if you're not 21, you're not getting alcohol. So if you don't have somebody to get your alcohol by at least, I don't know. What time did what's the name? I don't even remember the name of their liquor store no more. Wow, what was the name of their liquor store? Comment down below if you live in Charlotte or the South and what's the name of your liquor store? I cannot remember. If you didn't get there by a certain time, sis, you wasn't getting there, and you had to get an upperclassman to get your stuff, like somebody who was 21. So it was cute to have like a little friend, because if you had an upperclassman, more than likely they had a car and they was able to get your lick. But if you miss out on that opportunity, you didn't miss out. So like, you know how we got the thought juices now? The thought juices back in the day when I was in college was them Four Locos. I don't know who still drink Four Locos, but if you still drink Four Locos, I can't even trust you, sis, because those things are demonic. Okay? So yeah, so I'm like, alright, so we missed the opportunity to get liquor for this night, right? We missed that opportunity. It was gone. You miss it, that's it. So we like, oh, my homeboy was like, yeah, I'm having a house party or whatever. So we knew that we could go to the corner store, and we knew that he was going to sell us the Four Locos. So we go and we buy Four Locos, right? And I'm drinking it. We good. We drinking it. Four Locos were good. Like, I used to drink them, you know, when we couldn't, you know, do what we needed to do when it was time to go out. So I'm drinking the Four Loko, and I literally remember not feeling anything. Like, I didn't feel like I was getting drunk or nothing. Like, I didn't feel like I was getting nothing. So I'm like, let's go get more. So I think I ended up getting like 2 more, y'all. 2 more. So I'm drinking and drinking. We partying. We having a good old time. Like, house parties in college was like everything. Because sometimes, like, you know.
Look, I'm flat foot. So wearing heels for me was always difficult, sis. It just was always difficult because I put on a pair of heels and in 2.5 seconds I'm banned. Like, I can't, it just hurts for me to walk in heels. It doesn't matter if the heel, unless the heel is like super platform and like chunky, then I can like deal with it for a little longer. Alamar.
I can't remember who apartment we was in. We wasn't in my friend's apartment. We was like in an apartment like that was downstairs or upstairs or something like that. But we drinking, we having a good old time. Now, a little bit of a fun fact about me is that when I get super, super drunk, and I've been like this since I was younger. So this is my thing, right? When I was younger, when I get too drunk, I'm going to disappear. Like, I'm gonna go away and try to figure out how to get myself to a level where I'm back in control. I don't like being too drunk, because when I cannot control like myself, like, you know that feeling when you feel like you spinning and like you feel like you spinning and you feel like the room is moving. Y'all know that feeling. Come on, y'all. You feel like the room is moving and like you're kind of like, what's that? Dizzy, I guess. I don't like that feeling. I don't know how people can get that drunk and just be like, yo, nah, I gotta get rid of it. So after a while, I start to feel like that. So I go and I'm like, yo, like, I don't feel good. Whatever. I need to figure out, you know, how to like get off this like type of drunkenness. Like, I need to get out of it. So my friends, I know I told one of my friends, I can't remember who it was, because at this point memory is going in and out. Yeah, so I was mad drunk and I started to feel that lightheadedness. So I think I told one of my friends, like, I don't feel good. They're like, alright, stop drinking for a little while, just go sit down. I don't know about y'all, but just going to sit down, that don't work. You gotta get that stuff out of your system. And I don't know how to make myself throw up, because like if I try to, like, I've tried, if I try to put something, nothing happens. You understand? Like, so I don't know how to make myself throw up. So I either have to wait for my body to like catch up to my brain and be like, all right, she needs to let some of this out of her system, or I have to, that's all I can do. Literally, there's no or. I'm lying. There's no or. I just got to sit there and just deal with it. So I kind of was like, I went to the bathroom the first time, right? And the guy bathroom whose house was in, his bathroom was broken. So I went downstairs to the bathroom. So I went to the other bathroom. Nothing happened, right? So of course I'm gonna come back upstairs and sit down and try to catch myself and figure out how I'm going you know, get my life together. When I'm ready to throw up, I reach. So I'm like, I do that. But then like I have like this, I literally, my mouth does this, right? So I started doing that. So I go to the bathroom and I'm like, yo, I'm trying to throw up. Still nothing's coming up. So I'm like, yo, I'm getting mad. So instead of going back upstairs, I'm just sitting. And this part I really do remember. I'm just sitting by the toilet. I'm just sitting by the toilet. I'm sitting by the toilet. Like, I'm just sitting there like, please. Like, have you ever gotten so lit to the point where you're begging yourself, like, please, let me, please. I'll do anything to throw up.
Because I'm gonna come back and party, but I'm like, I need to hit the reset button on it. Like, I need to be like, alright, this is too much. Let me get.
So yeah, so I'm sitting there and I'm begging myself. I'm like, yo, like, please, Reese, throw up. So I remember begging myself. Now, I remember being like, alright, fuck it. So I got up. I remember getting up, right? I remember getting up. I got up and I got dizzy. I remember I got up. I got a little dizzy. I'm like, damn. I sat back down for a little while. This is the things I remember. I know I'm like, yo, girl, what happened? Because I'm like procrastinating, but I'm leading you up to it because I don't remember how what happened, and you see the title. So you're gonna, like, I know you're like, how? Because I don't know what moment I lost. At this point, sis, I can't prolong it too much longer. So I don't know what happened or how it happened, but I get up again. So I got up, I was dizzy. Boom, I sit back down. I get up again and I finally realized that I need to throw up. I'm starting to throw up. I'm throwing up. I'm like, yes, like, thank you for letting me throw up. 4 Loko must have been in my system so crazy because once I finished throwing up, don't y'all know, I fell and blacked out. I fell and I blacked out.
So I don't know how long I was gone, but I probably was gone for a minute. Because once
I woke up to my friends waking me up. Yo, Reese, what happened? What the fuck happened? I had toilet water spraying in my face. First of all, I had a weave in. At that time, I wasn't wearing wigs, so I'm sure it was a sew-in. It would leave out. Yeah, it had to have had leave out. It was a sew-in with a leave out. And it was cheap. It was like beauty supply store hair. And when I was 19, a while ago, so it was still when you was still wearing beauty supply hair. Like, don't try to play me. So I woke up, it was toilet water in my hair, in my face, spraying all over. First of all, that's disgusting. Let's just go there. The toilet water spraying in my face, and I'm trying to understand what's going on. I'm like, why y'all wetting me? Like, why y'all putting water on me? Don't you know I finally look up and the toilet, the whole commode, my nigga, I'm gonna take it back. The whole commode is like on a diagonal in half. I kid you not. I kid you. The commode, not like the top of it or the toilet seat was off. The actual part where you sit on, that the toilet seat goes on top of, was cracked in half. I had no head injury, no bleeding, no nothing. But I think, because we don't remember, when I fell,
I cracked my head in the toilet, or my body in the toilet. Because how else would I have been? Yo, and I don't know if I had a concussion because I don't know if I passed out.
Because I don't remember the impact, so I don't know if I passed out at the impact of the toilet, or if I fell because I passed out already. Like, I don't understand. I don't know what it was that was going on when I fell. So I wake up and everybody's like, yo, what happened? So I'm saying, like, I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. Is it broken? And my friend, he's like, dang, what happened? I'm like, yo, I don't know. So he's like, yo, I'm like, yo, I don't know. Like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm so sorry. And I'm still super drunk. So this Four Loko is still in my system to the point where I still can't even basically walk by myself. So I'm like, yo, so I'm not sure if I was like that because I was, you know, I hit my head on the toilet or whatever. But when I tell y'all that toilet was completely in half, y'all. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, I still to this moment am like, I can't even tell you how it really happened. But as far as I'm concerned, I broke that damn toilet. I broke the commode. But you know what? I am kind of a little bit. I have a feeling that it was a little bit broken. And I hope when I post this, he sees it when I post it on my Facebook. So he could clarify. Because we're still cool. We're still friends on social media. But I want to know if it was already kind of broke. And he knew it. Because I was like, yo, I'll tell my mom. And I'll tell my mom, like, I'll tell my dad, like, and I'll make them send me money so I can give you your money back. And he was like, no, it's okay, it's alright. I think he told me it was like $150 to replace his toilet. So I'm like, damn, like, how the hell did I do that? But he never even let me pay for it. He paid for it himself.
How am I strong enough to break a whole commode in half? And I'm saying commode because I need you to understand the severity.
Like, I really need y'all to, like, understand the complete severity of, like, what was going on in that moment. What I'm about to go do now is I'm about to go do my other eyelash, put some lip gloss on, and get dressed. I'm going to come back and close out the video. Okay, flowers. So I hope y'all enjoyed my crazy, silly story. Nah, that shit wasn't silly. It was actually scary, and I have a few other stories like that I'll be willing to tell if y'all willing to hear them. So let me know down below if you would like to hear more of these type of stories. I'll be happy to share. I plan on doing these only once a month. maybe twice a month, depending on how much I like them. So let me know down in the comments. I really want to hear feedback from y'all and see if this is something that y'all want to keep seeing on my channel. If not, we'll just do one every once in a while when I feel like telling a story, or we could do it every month. So let me know what you want to do. Let me know how you feel about it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join the flower gang, join the notification gang too. You get like extra points if you got notifications on, sis. Like, hello. Alright, you all, I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Mwah.